how to create N8n workflow. To do that, the process is really simple, quick, and easy. So just follow these steps. I will show you guys in this video. If you guys are new, N8n is a automation workflow platform that allows you to automate tons of things using different apps and services without the need of heavy code. Now, to begin with, you will head over to the main website of N8n. And first of all, we'll get with the cloud service. You can self-host this platform. You can run it locally on your Windows, and you can use their cloud service, which is paid. So we're gonna start with 14-day free trial. So just fill in this information, and you're good to go. Once we're done with all that, it will take us to a main dashboard like this one. So here you find tons of options and three main sections known as workflows, credential, and executions. Here you can create workflows by clicking on this icon right here, and all your workflows will appear right on this bars like this. And you can add credentials and connect apps and services. For example, I can go here. Let's say I want to connect OpenAI. So I will search OpenAI right here. Here I need the API key in order to go and attach OpenAI right here. Once we're done with that, the next section is executions, and here you'll find all of your done work that you do, all the history. And to create a workflow, just go and click on create workflow option right here, and here you will find the editor. Click on add first step, and now you'll find tons of options right here. For example, I want to add this one on chat message. This is when a user will send a chat message to you. So I'm just gonna click on this, and here you will find no properties. You can add properties to this as well. So I'm gonna click on here test chat, as I haven't added anything further, so I will not see any response. Let me just add it chat right here. Let's say the user sent us a hi message and the chat is received. Now I haven't added anything, and now right like this I can click on this plus icon and see what I want to automate next. So this is how you can go and create workflows. And there's also this templates option on the left bar. You can go to them as well, and you'll find tons of workflows templates, and that suits your demand, and you can edit them according to your need. So like this, in this way you can go and create workflows, and there's tons and tons of options and less possibilities that you can create because it's an open source platform. So just like that, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.